Okay, hello and welcome in the first lesson. Most likely you have your project ready. Let me delete everything because I want an empty screen and let us start the work. This time we'll start the work by putting a text here. So I'll simply select a text and I'll write, for example, awesome title. You can go for something more elaborate, but let's select awesome title and my font this time will be Nexa Bold. I'm considering making it only caps letters. Maybe this will look a bit better. Okay, let me make them smaller. By having the text here, I'll go to Align, Align Center, and the second button, Align Center again. If you don't see the Align panel, go to Window and select Align. Once I have that, I would like a color scheme for this entire composition, like we usually do, and I just went to colors.co, a great website, and look at that, the first color, and I already like it. And how can I get past this color? It's like impossible for me because I love blue. In cooperation with bright colors like that, I'm sold totally. So I'll of course use this beautiful color. I'll have this under my screen, and while I work, I'll select the colors. So at first, I would like a background color. Right click, new, solid layer, selecting color, and I'm considering to go either with the bright one or with the bluish ones. Let's maybe select this time a dark background. Okay, the background should be the last. We should close it down so we can't move it around. And for the text, we do maybe want to stay with the white text, or we want to go with the blue one. This is a decision that I don't necessarily want to make right now, so I'll stay away from it now. At first, once I have the text and the background, and you should have the same, your first quest will be to select the rectangle tool. Well, we have the ugly fill and the ugly stroke, so click on stroke, select no stroke, click on fill, select a right color, and this will be this should be maybe the blue that I've selected, and we'll later see if I selected correctly those colors. I think they will be okay. And once you have that selected, please create an object which will be a bit bigger than the text you've done on the middle. So I'll select my mouse and I'll create a rectangle like that. I know it's a bit bigger than the actual text. Just to make sure, I go again to Align and I align it perfectly in the middle. Now I'm sure that it covers the text, and if I hover the text over it, now we see what we've done, and I think this will look really interesting and really cool. So you should have a setup like that. In the next lesson, we'll start to keyframe it because we would like to start with the animation right away. Please go ahead to the next lesson, so we will work with this object behind it and we'll start to create some creative ways of revealing this text. Thank you for your attention in this lesson, and let's head over to the next one.